Hey, Coolkid here, and welcome to me building my first PC. So the current laptop that I had for like 5 years or so, and while it still runs pretty good, actually, speaking of that, the other time I did try to run Team Fortress 2, and well, it did not run well, even on the lowest settings. And if Team Fortress 2 doesn't run on your computer, it probably means it's time for you to upgrade. Freaking crazy. This laptop can run Sonic Generations pretty well, but it can't freaking run Team Fortress 2. That's just freaking insane. But continuing on, I've told my friends about, how long I've had this laptop. And I was like, well, should I upgrade to a new laptop, or finally get to the desktop PC experience? And I'm like, yeah, you should probably get a PC and everything. I thought, it would be pretty cool to build my own PC and everything, and make a recording of it and putting on YouTube, as you can see right here and everything. And actually, the main reason I actually do want to build this, let me get this out. Actually, I should probably clear this table real quick. Okay, now let me just get it on the desk here. So yeah, I got this Lord Aethelstan PC case by Ironside. So yeah, I'm a fan of Lord Aethelstan. I like watching his streams and videos and stuff. And when I ordered this, I believe they just released the white version, as we got right here. Alright, let me just show. Yeah, wait, get this closer. Yeah, both sides do look pretty well with this glass stained look, and they had a selection of normal black and then this new white one at the time. And actually in total amount of time it took, because since I ordered everything one at a time, it took about 2 months for everything to get here and everything. But yeah, I chose the white one, as you can see. And I just chose the white one because I was thinking about this, like, okay, would you rather like a stained glass right by white marble walls, or would you like a stained glass by cobblestone? I mean, both are interesting aesthetic and everything, but I don't know, just the white really did appeal to me and everything. And it's pretty cool. I mean, I'm pretty sure Ironside makes good custom cases and everything. Like I know Ironside did also came out with a freaking Ananners collab PC case, and a Merryweather one, which, oh my god, that one looks so good, so good. Am I really into male VTuber PC cases? Maybe. God, that would be so cool to get that one. But this one's still a pretty cool case and everything. And I mean, I'm not saying I would ever get big or popular, but if I ever become like a big YouTuber or something, and I got my own custom PC case design thing, I would want it to be like this, where it's kind of subtle and everything, where I mean it like this doesn't obviously has a big tagline of Lord Aethelstan, shove a PNG of his VTuber right over there. It's kind of, I just like how how like, if you're not a fan of Aethelstan or whatever, you think, oh man, that's a really cool aesthetic with the wolf and the stained glass and everything. So yeah, that's just I mean, this is literally the reason why I decided to start building. I mean, my friends told me, and I saw this. I'm like, goddamn, I knew I had to get this. I knew I had to get this. Okay, let me just put this down. So, moving on to the PC parts inside the case, we got the motherboard right here. The B760 Tomahawk Wi-Fi DDR4 by MSI. And honestly, I got this one because I saw that it was a pretty good motherboard and everything. And, you know, it looked good. Plus, it supported the CPU that I got. Next up, we got the CPU, which is the Intel i7th 12th gen, which I'm pretty sure the one on my laptop is the i7th 10th gen. So technically an upgrade. We got here with the CPU. Next up we got is the RAM, the Kingston Fury DDR4 32GB RAM. And, you know, I saw online that it was some pretty good RAM, so I thought, why not? I'll get it. Actually, you know, it being RGB, originally I wasn't looking for an RGB RAM, but I saw this and I was like, well, why not? I'll just get it, you know. After that, we got the M.2 SSD, the Critical 3P Plus, and I heard they were pretty good, you know, SSDs. Not the best out there, but pretty good for its price range and everything. So I thought I'll just get one of them, and I'm pretty sure my motherboard can fit like three you know, M.2 SSDs. So eventually I plan to get, you know, 4 more 4TB SSDs. Oh yeah, I forgot to mention they're freaking 4 terabytes. Yeah, so I'm pretty sure I'll get probably eventually 2 more you know, 4TB SSDs to put on the motherboard, but you know, just here for right now at least. Right here we got the RGB fans from Arctic, and well, the decision for these RGB fans were because I was trying to look online, and unlike, you know, the motherboard or the RAM or even the SSD, I just kind of had a problem trying to figure out which one I should get, and I just gave up and just really what I did was just be like, okay, let me look at what Ironside picks for, you know, their pre-builds, what kind of fans they use, and from what I saw, they use the Arctic RGB fan, so I thought, that'll work, because, like, there's so many freaking conflicting opinions when it comes to RGB fans online that I just didn't know. Hey man, I trust Ironside. I trust them. Well, not enough. I mean, they wouldn't pick a bad RGB fan, right? Oh yeah, right here we got the cooler right here by Cooler Master. Kind of funny, but yeah, the cooler, the Master Liquid 360L Core ARGB. It's the you know, AO water cooler, and you know, obviously these guys aren't the best, but here they make, you know, pretty good you know, all-in-one water coolers and everything. And I mean, to be fair, how a lot of this build is, I hear they make some pretty good ones. Maybe not the best, but you know, some pretty good ones, as we see over here. After that, we got, of course, our power supply, from Corsair, the RM75E, and well, I heard they were pretty good, and I mean, you know, they got a platinum rating and everything, so, you know, Platinum? Yeah, that's pretty good on the rating scale. So, and you know, it's enough for my GPU and everything. So, moving on. Now, onto the main player, the graphics card. The MSI Gaming X Slim 4070 Super MLG Edition. Yeah. Actually, I originally wasn't going for this graphics card. I was going for the Asus 4070 Super Dual or whatever it was called. But, you know, while I was getting a bunch of the other parts, I started hearing not good stuff about Asus, and I'm sure if I got the Dual, it still would have been fine, but I just figured, I'll just look for something else, and I heard good things about this graphics card, and heck, I was just going for the regular edition, but apparently the MLG edition was cheaper at the time than the regular version, so I got this. And also, you know, just want to know, what the heck's with the, you know, MLG edition? Yeah, I don't know what's that up with, because, you know, when I think of MLG, I think of, you know, Major League Gaming and all of its memes, and also, you know, like, early, Smash Melee tournaments, you know, like, Wombo Combo, and, you know, stuff like that. And heck, even I was looking around online, and they literally, MSI literally made a tweet like, MLG, I wonder what that could mean. So I guess not even they know what it is. They just want to just have something to stick. Bam, anime waifu. And I mean, I'm sure that definitely sold some copies of this motherboard. I mean, that wasn't the main factor. I only bought this one because it was literally cheaper than the regular version. I have no idea why. And so yeah, right here you can see, you know, what the graphics card looks like. Yeah, I'll pull this stuff out of its box soon enough. But yeah, a pretty good graphics card and everything. And next up, well, I guess not necessarily a PC part. I did get a surge protector right here. And, you know, honestly, I kind of just got this one because of its length. And since this desk right here is, well, it's a movable desk. Kind of what I wanted to do is, you know, in case if I ever feel like moving this to another place, I just kind of want to have a long cable where I can just comfortably move it. And I thought, you know, this was good. Man, I think that's the only surge protector I actually have. Should I invest in some more? Especially with the stuff my consoles are plugged into. Probably should, yeah. And also, I guess, peripherals that I got here is this Alienware gaming mouse and up in the corner, Alienware mouse pad and Alienware keyboard. Yeah. So I got these three stuff from a contest, like, I forgot, a couple of years ago, and like until like just recently I started using the mouse right here. And it's a pretty good mouse, and haven't tried the keyboard yet and everything. And I'm sure people are going to be like, man, why are you using this keyboard or gaming mouse? There's some way better ones or something. Look, dude, I got this stuff for free. With a laptop, I really haven't found, like, I guess, a use for it. So, you know, just let me use this goddamn stuff. And I'm sure it's, you know, it's pretty good and everything. And, you know, I do enjoy at least using this one. Click. Yay. So next I should probably be talking about monitors, which I did not pick up a monitor for this build, but at least for right now I plan to using my TV I got right here, since, you know, literally probably right now I'm just going to have, you know, my desk right next to my TV and everything, but I do eventually plan to pick up a monitor, probably like a 1440p one. I don't know if I'm going to go for multiple monitors or everything. Actually, you know what? Since, you know, I just got you here. Hey, anyone watching this video, know any good monitors to pick up? Because honestly, I'm having a tough choice picking a 1440p one and everything, and I don't know, maybe I'll get multiple ones in case if I just don't want to have the desk right by the TV at the moment. Actually, you know, if I'm thinking about it now, I probably could just get like one pretty good 1440p monitor and just get like one or two 1080 monitors, honestly, because like realistically, you know, like I'd say this is not connected. I have it up against, I don't know, some other wall right now next to the TV. I just need a 1440p. That's probably the best one, because realistically, am I really going to play games over, you know, two monitors? And I'm usually going to be using the best monitor to play the game and everything, honestly. And, you know, I mean, I'm sure it doesn't really matter if, you know, even the resolution of frame rates matter to be exactly the same. Well, actually, unless if you're, I don't know, probably in something like digital art, probably, you know, you want to have all the same monitors. But other than that, honestly, I probably just need one good monitor and like two kind of not as good ones, but, you know, good enough, I guess, and everything. And plus, I don't mind looking at the other screen being 1080p and whatever. I don't know. Any good monitor recommendations in the comment section below? It's all up to you. And yeah, I think that's pretty much all the stuff that I got for this PC build. So yeah, let me get started with the build itself. Hey, so I started building this thing for like 4 hours at 3 to 7 in the morning. Yeah. I don't know why I started building this thing at 3 in the morning. And basically when it hit 7, I was like, oh damn. Oh man, it's all the way until the morning. Man, maybe I should take a little bit of a break. And then, let's just say I had a long, good nap after that. And I really wasn't built to stay up past 7 and stuff like that. And I took like a 3-day break from building this thing. I really can't give you a reason why. It's the last day of July. Yeah, right before August. No, that's not the reason. I just don't know. I guess I just took a break and everything. And today, you know, I kind of started, you know, continuing. Well, I guess building it at first. It kind of started because, right here with the fans with the AO cooler, I had the cables, well, not reversed, but they were on the other side. So just to make cable management easier, I just flipped this, and then soon after that I was like, oh, okay, I'll just start plugging all the, you know, fans together. And then I'm like, okay, well, let me just start plugging in a bunch of other stuff. And then I got the freaking goddamn power supply in, and then I plugged everything in, and I for like what, an hour or two, I just kind of almost basically finished building that thing. I wish I kind of recorded it, but I don't know. I just originally planned just to flip the fans real quickly, but yeah, I was almost done building it. And honestly, if I didn't have restrained enough, I probably would just skipped over putting in the graphics card. But I thought, well, I at least gotta show myself building the graphics card. And plus, at least with the other stuff, whenever I got, the other time, started building this and put everything into the case, it kind of, I didn't get a lot of good angles. I don't know how it's going to exactly go record, but it did probably some of it. I'm just going to have to skip certain sections because I just didn't record well, man. I mean, if I wasn't lazy, like a good YouTuber, I probably would have taken the camera, moved it to a different camera angle and everything, but I just don't feel like waiting time to, change camera angles or move my, stand or my tripod. Why the hell was I forgetting that? But yeah, there's that. I don't know if I mentioned this earlier in the video or not, but when I'm looking at this, I kind of have this, white exterior, black interior aesthetic going on because, obviously just due to, let me pull this out, how the PC case will look. Obviously, you pretty much you'll still see some of the stuff inside, but aesthetics were never a priority building this case, so it just kind of accidentally happened with a, white exterior, but with a black interior. Well, I mean, graphics card, as you can see here, it's a little red, but still just kind of interesting. Anything else I want to say before going on? I mean, dude, this build in total is probably taking me around 6 hours, which is still somehow shorter than Reho when she tried to build a PC. Dude, I freaking can't believe she took an hour to just put in the CPU. But to be fair, it took me an hour just to put the motherboard into this case. I don't know why. I don't know why, but yeah, let's continue on with the build. Slim design, mighty action. Whatever you say. Or well. Like they are. Someone's even watching this section. Oh, I'll just put it behind. Got to turn on the power switch. Now let's try it once more. Yeah. Now we just gotta wait for it to. Oh yeah, all the RGB. Well, I mean, the fan RGB has gotta be dealt with, but hey. So whatever. Ah, there it is. Oh my freaking god. So long. Who knew just turning it back and off, or well, unplugging it and then turning it back on. that won't show it all, but oh well. Okay, let's see. And flash, your system. Enter flash mode. Oh, there it is. Okay, yeah, select file. Updating BIOS. Water cooler, yep, BIOS has been updated. Yeah. Wait a minute. Didn't my friend say something to do? Enable XP. Reside bar support. Yeah, I think that's pretty much everything I need to check here. Let me just get my frickin' Windows installer. My frickin' guy took like an hour to frickin' download that file. Okay, this is reset. Let's see. For the F button. Okay. Come on. Oh. Yeah. The window is so freaking small. Yeah, you can barely see it. But yeah. If you don't know, I am downloading Windows 11. Yeah, install now. Oh boy. Since I'm just waiting here, I'm pretty sure people, continuing on what I was saying beforehand, before I was rudely interrupted by Windows keys, I'm chose to get Windows 11 on this machine, just kind of due to the fact that, well, I haven't really tried Windows 11 yet, and I thought, well, since I'm getting a new PC and everything, I just thought, well, you know, I'll try Windows 11, and if I don't like it, I'll downgrade back to Windows 10. I mean, the keys aren't that expensive for it, so it's actually quite not that hard for me to do. Also, you probably don't notice this since I kept these panels off, but dude, it freaking took like an hour just to download that freaking Windows 11 download software thing, just due to the fact that I didn't have it prepared beforehand. A smart person would have done that. Unfortunately, I'm not that smart. But yeah, it took long enough. It took like almost an hour, man, and I actually put at least the other side, all its panels back on. I still want to leave this out until everything's done with. Wait for it to finish installing Windows. I don't know if I want to say anything particular while I'm waiting. I mean, just like thinking about it, especially with, people I've heard about people say about Windows 11 and how much worse it is than Windows 10. And I mean, I've heard the stories and everything. I mean, I'm sure it's not that too much different. I mean, at least from the screenshots I've seen, it's like, it's not that different from Windows 10. Honestly, like, oh my god. Hey guys, remember when Windows 10, Microsoft said Windows 10 was going to be the last version? Oh my god, that was freaking crazy. But yeah, I just want to, you know, curiously try it out before freaking downgrading, or heck, even if I downgrade, next year I'm probably going to have to upgrade back up anyway. Oh, come on, get back up. Let the loading bar load. But yeah, even if I do, I guess, what would you call, downgrade to Windows 10, I'm still going to have to upgrade to Windows 11 like a year since they're going to support. And I mean, I don't know. Like, I'm not saying, you know, if you want to roam the wild wasteland unprepared, I mean, sure you can, but still, I mean, I still don't think you should have ended support for Windows 10 so soon. But to be fair, people were probably never going to switch to Windows 11 ever, probably. So, I mean, Microsoft's like, well, you left us no choice. Oh my god. Windows logo. Okay. Yeah, this is such a big screen. Don't tell me. Oh my god. Gotta freaking was hoping to skip this step. Is there really no way? You have to connect to the internet. I freaking can't believe it. I have to literally do like a command to bypass this. Okay? Let's see. Continue. Yeah. What the hell is this? Like, you know what? Let me take a picture of this, like, right here, just to. I just can't freaking believe this. I have to do a freaking you know, word command before I can select. I don't have internet. Okay. Yeah, connect set up. I don't know. Hi. Getting things ready for you. God, I know you probably can't see it. This might take a few minutes. Do that hue effect. Still freaking can't believe it. To get no internet, you have to type in a command script. Microsoft, that really irks me. Like, I don't know. I don't know if it's just me, but I don't know. I feel like more and more recently, they've been trying to be like, oh, you have to be on the internet to activate this device or whatever. But sometimes they just want to, you know, activate a device, man. I don't want it to connect to PC or turn on the internet or whatever. Almost there. Yes, we're here. Finally, we're here. Oh god. What the hell? What? I don't know if you can tell. Why the hell? I forget. It's in the stupid mail. Let me do settings. Okay, well, the line doesn't seem to work. Let's see. With downloading just gotta figure out how to get this around. Okay, let's try open RGB. And after a while trying to figure out and to change the RGB and whatever, I finally got it. I finally got to change all the RGB into this nice red color, and man, it looks so cool. And even though the RGBs on the side and bottom fans aren't working, I do want to try I'll probably try to fix that sometime later, but right now, dude, this looks so cool. I can't wait to see what the bottom and the sides and everything, and I think that's pretty much it for the video. Actually, never got, well, I don't know if I showed them in good details, but I'll just show the freaking stickers and the plate. So yeah, we got sticker sheet right here, and look at it, the MLG mascot MSI. What could that mean? Their Twitter doesn't even know. And this base plate heat sink thing, I don't know, just whatever. But yeah, let me turn on the TV. But yeah, finally ready and done with my first PC, or I guess my first PC that I've made. And I mean, this was a nice, fun experiment. Honestly, if anyone here just, I guess, curious about making like a PC or whatever, you should do it. I mean, it's not really hard. Honestly, I probably will watch just a couple of those how to build guide videos, and then after that, you just just look at like the instructions and guides of all the stuff that you buy, and if anything goes wrong, just literally look it up. That's how I don't want to go sleeping yet, but yeah, if anything goes wrong, I just looked up on the internet amazing things they can do. Yeah, but I'm sure I'll set up freaking Windows 11 and have all my stuff downloaded eventually, but that'll call for another day. Also, totally gotta get a freaking monitor. Seriously, if anyone knows like any good 1440p monitors, please tell me, because I just want to know. I just need to know what's a good one. I mean, 1080p ones, honestly, I probably even don't need that good of a 1080p monitor. Because as I said, if I want to do 4K gaming, I got the TV, and then I'll just get a 1440p monitor, and then one or two, I guess if I want to do 3-way or 4-way modern styles, just really only need one 1440p, and then the other two could be 1080 or whatever. Why am I repeating this stuff from way earlier in the video? It doesn't matter. Just this awesome PC. So cool. Yeah. I mean, I don't know. What should I say before I end this video? I guess go watch Lord Aethel. I freaking love his streams. Yeah. And Ironside PCs make cool cases. I don't know. I'll just you do whatever you want. Honestly, any I don't know, like the YouTuber thing. Tell me, what peripherals should I get? Should I get a freaking New keyboard. Sorry. Look, I got this free. I mean, I was thinking about, I did see that Famicom color keyboard. Ooh, that actually sounds something cool for me to do. Yeah, I might totally get that whenever it's on sale or something.